That is straight as tone, straight up my nose. G'day everybody, welcome back to another episode of Crafted by Tim. Today we're going to be doing a really cool project. Let me grab some. So these are 308 shells. What my friend has done is he's kindly given these to me and asked me to do a bit of a fun project. Make these into pendants. And I was thinking, oh yeah, that's relatively easy. Make up a little fake projectile out of steel and chuck it in the end there and maybe drill a hole through the side and I'll call it done. But then it kind of got me thinking, I reckon I could do this really well. So he's given me two to experiment with right there on the end. He's drilled a 5.5mm hole in there and that is to comply with West Australian laws so he could give them to me. And rather than just drilling a hole through the side, I want to try and make my own sort of, I don't really know what you'd call it, a little sort of rod that comes out, rounded over and then just has a little hole drilled through it. Let's get started and we'll see what we can come up with. So I should probably explain what I've got chucked up here in the lake. It is actually some Damascus, and this is the rest of it. It's still really hot. What it is it's just 1084 and 15 and 20, 26 layer stack, and I've just given it a bit of a twist. And the reason why I made up this piece of Damascus, it was a while ago. Basically, all I had in mind was, I really want to make some Damascus, and I really want to use their power press. And I was like, yeah, that's kind of cool. I decided that I'd whip up a builder of Damascus, take it in, and give it a go. It was a lot of fun to use the 14 press. So we're going to start off by taking this thing all the way down to 8mm all the way along. We're going to start working on the tail end of it. Using the template, we'll actually be able to figure out how much thread we need and then how much of the very ends that we can have. I still don't know what to call that little nubby bit on the end. On with it. actually really happy with this, and they look great. They actually look so cool, and I've already had a few people say that they want them as well. So I think these are going to be something that I'm going to probably continue to do. Play with a few different ideas, maybe different calibers and stuff like that. They're nice, like heavy keychains. If you wanted to wear them as a necklace, then it might be a bit heavy, but as sort of just like a little pendant, I really like these. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and maybe subscribe if you're new. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys in the next episode, and in the meantime, remember to stay safe, happy crafting, and as always, cheers.